KeepKey Chrome Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The KeepKey Chrome Wallet app offers a sleek hardware solution for storing your crypto, but is it still relevant in today's fast-moving market? Let's break down the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, KeepKey's biggest advantage is security. As a hardware wallet, your private keys are stored offline, completely protected from online hacks or malware. This makes it one of the safest ways to manage your cryptocurrencies. Another strength is simplicity. KeepKey was designed for ease of use. The Chrome extension integrates directly with your hardware device, allowing you to send, receive, and track your crypto without technical headaches. The display screen on the device itself provides clear transaction details, reducing the risk of phishing or fraud. KeepKey also supports Shapeshift integration, meaning you can swap assets directly from the wallet without ever leaving your device. That's a powerful feature for users who want security and convenience in one place. Now, let's look at the cons. The most obvious one is limited support. KeepKey currently supports fewer cryptocurrencies than competitors like Ledger or Trezor, which could be a deal breaker if you hold a diverse portfolio. Another drawback is dependency on the Chrome app, which is now deprecated. While KeepKey has transitioned to web-based interfaces, setup and compatibility can still be confusing for some users. Lastly, the design and updates feel dated. KeepKey hasn't seen major hardware improvements in years, making it less competitive in a market that's moving toward mobile-friendly and Bluetooth-enabled devices. In conclusion, the KeepKey Chrome Wallet app remains a secure, user-friendly option for long-term crypto storage. The surprising truth: it's still one of the most affordable hardware wallets with strong security, but its outdated interface means it may not be ideal for those who want cutting-edge tech or multi-chain support.